Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting a reliable runtime on your phone. Install Termux or Pidroid 3 and grant permissions so files and networking work. Once done, install Python 3. X and pip, then confirm Python version to ensure the interpreter runs. Make sure you have an editor like Vim, Nano, or the app's IDE. Connecting a Git remote or Cloud Sync now saves repeated transfers. This initial setup puts the environment and file access in place, so you can run code locally and push changes remotely. Now you write and execute. Create a project folder and activate a venv to keep dependencies isolated from system packages. Then pip install required libraries. When native extensions fail on Android, choose pure Python replacements or pre-built wheels. Use the editor or Termux to run Python script. Py and iterate quickly. For exploration, drop into the REPL or use IPython where available. Throughout, rely on logging and small test scripts to validate behavior. This approach reduces trial and error and speeds up development on the device. To finish, automate and deploy. Schedule recurring tasks with Termux, cron or integrate with Tasker for triggers. On rooted devices, use system services. If you serve an API, run Uvicorn or Unicorn for Flask/Fast API and expose endpoints via reverse proxy or a tunnel service like ngrok when needed. If something breaks, troubleshoot methodically. Verify file and network permissions, ensure ABI matches for compiled packages, and rebuild failing wheels. Reviewing runtime logs and stack traces will quickly reveal missing dependencies or permission errors so you can fix them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.